It's probably a good idea that while you got the bed off the truck, go ahead and change those fuel lines out. As you see here, you're getting a lot of deterioration. There's your vent. That tube right there is looking pretty rough. I think it's brittle and it's going to break at any moment. So went ahead and bought some standard fuel line tubing here. I'm going to fix that up. And looks like everything else is good. Yes, you will notice I did put the white spray paint on the frame. It ain't pretty, but it's just there to kind of keep it protected. I went ahead and put some Seal after wire brushing the frame. Put some Seal rust converter primer on it. Sprayed it up. I'll probably come back and hand brush. Just wanted to put down a base layer of the paint, and then I'll come back and brush over the top of that once this is dried up. But it wasn't pitted or rusted very bad, but just to make it look a little bit better. But we'll come back and deal with that. But I wanted to paint the tops here before I got the bed on. I can do all this other painting afterwards. So there you have it.